Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am whispering because it's really quiet in this store, but I am by my new house and this is actually my first time walking into this Dollar Tree. So of course I'm bringing you guys with me so we can see what may be in this store. So they do have these. They only have the one size. And that's all I see. They have these cute headbands by Expressions, and you get two. So I see blue and black and pink and blue. Oh, they have silver too and black. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so this is their toy section, and what I noticed already is that this store is really small. But I'm trying to be positive because I really hated leaving my regular stores. But so far, we'll see. There's another one in the area. I'll go to that one like maybe tomorrow, but I'm gonna keep walking through here. The Immortal Throne, Motheress. That looks interesting. I think we saw that one, yeah. How did this happen? Poems for the not so young anymore. Okay, well I think I see some new socks. These, the little beer jars or mason, whatever it is, craft beer, I think that's what that's called. And some ducks. I think I've seen those before. More of the food socks. These. Oh, look at those watermelons. And they have some, ooh, those are cute. Blueberry pancakes with the waffles. I mean with the syrup. Yeah, I don't think I've seen these before. And look at those, the cute little gnomes. Oh, those are cute. Okay, so they do have these. I showed you in my last video at my other house. The cool water lily and the calm birch water. And let's see, trying to squeeze between this thing. Here's some more of the headbands. They have this style in orange and green. And what else did I just see? These down here. It's the same brand, but they have different like camo colors. Camouflage in different colors. Oh, they're putting out, I've always seen the Rosy Lips Vaseline, but they have the aloe vera. That's kind of cool. Okay, so I'm over in the makeup section, and so far this is what I spotted. It's a jade roller, Pro Tools by My Beauty Spot jade roller. Improved blood circulation, elasticity, and even skin tone. Reduces puffiness and wrinkles. And I'm pretty sure we've all seen a jade roller, but this one is really small, but it's cute because it can work around your eyes, and it's like a marble green color. Oh, they got different colors. Let's see, that one, well, they all look green, but that one was darker. This one is lighter. And I think that's it, yeah, just those green colors. Okay, and then besides the jade rollers, let's see, I haven't continued to look. I see the eye glow polish. A lot of the simple colors. And that is it. They know they better stop it with this. No, they do not have Easter stuff out already. Oh my gosh, look at his lips though. It's supposed to be a beak, but it looked like he just put on some orange lipstick in the dark because it's all over the place. And then you got these, they look old though, so they probably just have these in the back. Okay, you guys, now I'm down the candy aisle. I am going to wrap this up. I was just talking to the cashier and they still have these. I love those. And she was telling me where one of the better stores is. So I might go over there. Oh, look at those. Sneakers. Gummy sneakers. That is so crazy. I may go over there. If I do, I may record and put it up again for today. If not, then it'll be a different day. But thank you guys for coming with me on my first store run in my new area. And yeah, so there'll be many more of these videos to come as I get familiar with this area. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye.